So over here, you can see that I got 5 faces right here. And let's say what I want to do is I want to offset each one of them, but I want the offset distance to be the same all across all of them. So to do that, all I need to do now is go ahead onto the offset tool right here and click and drag on the first offset face right here. So now in order to have the same offset on this face as well, simply go ahead and double click and the same offset gets applied. Similarly, double click this right here, just like this. On the top as well, you can go ahead and double click and you can see that you can easily go ahead and add in offset right here, just like this. So if I were to go ahead and double click again inside, then what happens is that you get other offset just like this as well. Let me just press Ctrl Z and that is what you have. But I don't want in all of these, so I'm just going to go ahead and keep it as it is. So now let's just go around and say the second offset is going to be a bit less. So I'm just going to type in 1 right here, just like this. And this is what you have. Double click on it and then you get the offset accordingly, as you can see right here. So now you can go ahead and then let's say for example, go around over here and add in details to it as you want. So let's just go around over here and you can see that I can simply go ahead and select it. And then you can see that I can go around over here and then set the distance as you want right here. So just go around over here. And then let's say, for example, drag it out. So let's just go around and drag it out right here. So let's just go around, drag it out. 1 is going to be the distance right here, just like this. So let's just go around over here. 1 distance right here, just like this. Let's just go around over here, 1 distance and so forth. And this is what you have, as you can see. And that is how you can go ahead and add in a bit of a detail as you want right here onto the objects as you need. And that is how you can go ahead and then utilize the offset tool equally in models in SketchUp. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.